How to crossplay Borderlands 2. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to crossplay Borderlands 2 between Steam and Epic Games. It's a super quick setup, and by the end, you'll be able to team up with your friends no matter which store you're using. Step by step. Step 1. Launch the game. Open Borderlands 2 from either Steam or Epic Games. It works the same for both. Step 2. Create or sign in to your Shift account. When the game launches, you'll be asked to sign in with your Shift account. If you don't have one, just click Create Account. It's fast and free. Step 3. Enable Crossplay. After logging into the Shift, go to the main menu, then click on Options. Select Network Options and make sure matchmaking is set to Public or Friends Only. Then, enable crossplay if it's not on default. Step 4. Add friends via Shifty. In the menu, go to Social, then click on Shift Friends. Type your friend's Shift username and send an invite. Once they accept, you can join each other's game just like normal. Step 5. Start playing together. Host a game, invite your friend, and you're ready to loot and shoot. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to play Borderlands 2 between Steam and Epic Games. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.